What if right before a meeting you could see what decisions were made in the previous meeting and the meeting was prepared for you? That is now a reality, and it's easy. Yes, you can see decisions from your calendar, and the meeting is automatically prepared, whether you are just taking notes, leading a workshop, leading an ideation session, or discussing a timeline, leading a one-on-one, or even a team retros. Also, all stakeholders and team members will see this on their calendar and will be automatically held accountable. To do that, choose the template for the meeting or create your own. Add a date and define how many hours or days it should be open and mark it as recurring by selecting how often. If meetings happen as they come, that is okay too. Choose Add One here. If those are scheduled, then define how often. Automatically, it will prepare it for you, schedule it, hold people accountable, and keep decisions on your calendar. It's that simple. Start today with Nova Pro.